Hi everyone, I'm Jacqueline from Atomy Absolute Life. In this video, we're going to show you how to purchase Atomy products on the website. So first, you're going to enter in Atomy's website, atomy.com/US. Now, if you're purchasing products in a different country, go ahead and click on the top right corner for the drop-down menu and select the country you're going to be making purchases in. But for this video, we're focusing on the US. Now, first, you're going to need to log in. So click on the login button up on top and enter in your Atomy ID. Now, if you don't have an Atomy ID, make sure you check out our video on how to register. Once you've entered in your login information, go ahead and click on Login. And then you're going to click on Shopping Mall up here at the top. Now you can view all of Atomy's products here, or you can also hover over and look at all the different categories that it's broken down into. There's also subcategories here for you to browse around. So let's go ahead and check out skincare. I'm going to scroll down here and let's purchase the AC Expert System Set. So we're going to click on Add to Cart, and it'll confirm that your item has been added. And close out of that box. Now, if you want to find out more information about a product, let's say the Hydra Brightening Essence over here, we can just click on the image and it'll take us to all the details of that product. And you can scroll down for a lot of information. Now, if we scroll back to the top after researching this product, you decide you want to give it a try, let's click on Shopping Cart, and that will automatically add it to your shopping cart. Next, let's add one more item. We're going to go to HemoHim and add that to our cart. Confirm it, and now if you go to the far right, you're going to see Shopping Cart. Go ahead and click on that. And here's where you can see all the items in your cart. If you want to edit any of the items, if you want to edit the quantity of the items, you can use the plus and minus signs on both sides to edit that. And make sure after you've made your changes, you click on Edit down below to save those changes. Otherwise, those changes won't be saved. Now, if you decide you want to remove an item from your cart, you can easily just click on Delete on the far right side. Now, once you've confirmed everything in your shopping cart, you can click on Order All Items. Or if you decide you want to leave something in your cart and you want to purchase it next time, you can deselect that item and then go down and click on Order Selected Items. For our example, we're going to go ahead and click on Order All Items. Now you can scroll down and it'll auto-populate your information under Customer Information, and you can change the sales date here if you need to. And if you scroll down under Shipping Information, you can enter in a new shipping address if you need to send this to someone else, or you can click on Same as Above in order to use the account information that this ID number is under. Scrolling further down here at the very bottom, you've got Remarks. So this is a section you can enter in details for delivery notes or directions. And then after you've verified all of that, and then after you've input all of that, you can click on Continue down at the bottom. And here's where you can review your order information. It's going to include any shipping fees if you don't meet the $150 free shipping minimum, as well as sales taxes here for your total. And you can review your order information as well as the shipping address here. Make sure that's all correct. And if you want the pricing details, make sure this box here is checked. Then we can move on to payment information. You can use either a credit card, bank deposit, a cashier's check, or money order. So we're going to go ahead and click on credit card and fill that out. For your billing address, if it's the same as your shipping address, go ahead and click on Same as Shipping to auto-populate. And then over to your right, you're going to see your total, and that includes the breakdown, including shipping fee as well as taxes, and confirm the date of purchase. And if you agree with all this information, it looks correct, go ahead and click on Yes, I agree. Then you can click on Checkout Now. And there you have it. Shopping at Atomi's Shopping Mall.
Be sure to hit like and subscribe to Atomy Absolute Life.
I hope you enjoy your products. Thank you for watching.